Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download Netflix on your PC. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Microsoft Store app. After the Microsoft Store app opens up on your PC, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the search bar, search Netflix and then hit enter. After you hit enter, the Netflix app will pop up on your screen. Now you will have to download the Netflix app. To download the Netflix app, all you have to do is click the download option, which will be located on the right hand of your screen. After the Netflix app is fully downloaded and installed on your device, click on the open option. I hope this video helped you to download Netflix on your PC. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.